In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Global Blue app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store. On your Android device, locate the Play Store icon, which usually looks like a colorful triangle. It's typically found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on this icon will take you to a world of applications available for download. This store is essential for accessing apps that enhance your mobile experience. Once you tap the icon, you will see a variety of apps and categories listed. This is your starting point for downloading the Global Blue app. Next, you need to search for Global Blue Day Shop tax-free in the search bar at the top of the screen. Click on the search bar, and a keyboard will appear. Type in Global Blue Shop tax-free and press the search button. The search results will display various apps related to your query. Finding the correct app is crucial because it ensures that you are downloading the official application, which will provide you with the best features and security. After searching, you should see the app listed among the results. Now tap on Global Blue Peer Fear Shop Tax Free by Global Blue SA to select it. This action will take you to the app's detail page. Here you can see important information about the app, such as its ratings, reviews, and description. These details can help you confirm that you are downloading the right app. Reviews will often give insights into user experiences, which can be very helpful. Once you are on this page, you will see a prominent button to proceed with the download. Next, tap the Install button to begin the downloading process. This button is usually green and is located right below the app's title. By pressing Install, you are agreeing to the permissions the app requires. This process is essential as it allows the app to function correctly on your device. After you tap Install, the app will start downloading. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. Now, wait for the app to download and install on your device. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. During this time, it's a good idea to ensure that your device remains connected to the internet. A stable connection will help prevent any interruptions during the installation. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install, and you will be notified when it is ready to use. Next, tap Open to launch the Global Blue app. This button will appear after the installation is finished. When you tap Open, the app will launch and you'll be greeted with its welcome screen. This is where your journey into tax-free shopping begins. The app is user-friendly and designed to help you easily navigate its features. Now, you will need to sign in or create a Global Blue account. This step is important to track tax refunds, find refund locations, and manage your tax-free shopping. Follow the prompts on the screen to either sign in with your existing account or create a new one. If you are creating a new account, you will need to provide some basic information. This ensures that your shopping experience is secure and personalized to your needs. With that done, you are all set to start using the Global Blue app for your tax-free shopping needs. Enjoy the benefits of tracking your refunds and finding refund locations easily. You've successfully downloaded the Global Blue app on your Android device.